In this video, we're going to talk about all the materials you need to practice at home. So here I have a box of gloves. You don't have to practice with gloves, but it's so much easier because pigment can go on your nails or your hands and it's very hard to wash. So I prefer to practice with gloves. Then I have baby oil. You can buy whatever brand that we're going to use to clean. When we practice here, we're gonna clean the fake skin. Paper towel, your machine, a pencil to draw your brows or lips, whatever you're practicing that day. I have a box here, a little box that I put a lot of needles, different sizes, so I can practice more with them. But when you feel they're not performing well, you can put in the garbage and get a new needle for you to practice. Then I have A&D because if I'm practicing with black ink, normally it's very, very watery because it has a lot of carbon black. So I like to put a little bit of the A&D here and put this little cup so it doesn't fall as I'm practicing, and I fill with ink. So those are the materials you need to practice. And always put something on your table because pigment is really hard to clean. So always protect or use a glass table, and those are the materials we need to practice.